Doop. Fizzy Fun House! Oh, what a perfect day for gardening! Shh! Did you hear that? Huh? Ah! The ground is shaking! I know! Look, Fizzy! A flying plane! What, Phoebe? Fizzy! Take your headphones off! Oh, alright. What did you say? I said, look! There's a flying plane! Oh, Phoebe, I don't think that's a plane. I think that's a UFO! Ah! It's gonna land on my head! Quick, run! Phoebe. Phoebe, it's all right. Whoa! Ew, yuck! Hello? Who's there? Wee doop. Whoop-dee, unicorn tea, cake tea, strawberries! Wait, Phoebe, can you speak alien? Well, Fizzy, let me use my Phoebe magic! Phoebe, weeby, bo, beeby, bop! Hello, I'm an alien called Allie. I'm here on your lovely planet because I heard you make amazing lunchboxes. Whoa, a talking alien? Cool! Wait, we do make amazing lunchboxes. We should totally make one. Oh, Fizzy, I'm so excited. Looks like we're gonna need some help. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hello everyone, it's me, Miss Hands, and hello, Allie. My name is Allie. Allie, that's right. Well, I heard we're making a lunchbox today.
We are, and Allie has not only traveled overseas, but over the skies and planets.
That is correct information. Whoa! Well, Allie, you must be very hungry. Let's make you an out-of-this-world amazing bite to eat. Why don't we start with a delicious sandwich?
Awesome sauce!
All right, Allie. First up, we need to take 2 slices of bread and add some peanut butter and some jelly. Peanut butter jelly sandwich is my favorite. Yum. All right, now we gotta squish them together. Now, I thought we could make an alien sandwich, so let's go ahead and cut it out using this blue circle. Perfect!
Miss Hands,
Yes, Phoebe?
that doesn't look like an alien.
You're right. That's because we haven't decorated it.
Oops! Silly me!
That's all right, Phoebe, because now we're gonna decorate our alien sandwich using this edible marker. Ta-da! Haha, I see why your lunches are so famous. They're This is awesome. Thanks, Allie.
Miss Hands, quick! Let's put it in our lunchbox!
Great idea, Fizzy. All right, here we go. All right, let's open it up and place our alien sandwich inside. Perfect.
Yay! Ooh, Miss Hands, what's next?
Next, I thought we could make a rocket.
Wow, that's so cool! Come on, let's go!
All right, everyone, to make our rocket, we're gonna use some cheese, a rocket cutter, and a piece of pepper. So let's go ahead and cut out our rocket.
Wow, that looks so cool! What next, Miss Hands?
Now we gotta place the pepper on the top.
Ooh, alright!
Ta-da! One awesome rocket!
Ooh, Miss Hands, make it fly!
All right, Phoebe, here it goes. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Watch out, everyone! Rocket incoming! Whoa! And our rocket has landed.
Whoa! It actually flew like a real rocket! That's so cool! Let's keep going!
All right, everyone. Next up, Allie, we're gonna make you some super cute alien friends. So we're gonna take 3 cucumber slices like this and simply add these super cute, silly, googly eyes. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, they look so cute and friendly. Ooh, maybe we could be friends. Maybe, Allie, but first we better put these super cute aliens into your lunchbox. All right, here we go. In you go, little guys. We'll put one in there, one in there. Ooh, and one in there.
Oh, so cute! I love it! Hey, Ellie!
Yes, Phoebe.
It must be so cool being from a different part of the universe.
It is, especially when we meet cool, kind people like you.
Aw, Ellie, that's so nice! Hey, Miss Hands, have we got anything else for the lunchbox?
We sure do.
All right! Come on, Ellie! Let's go!
All right, Phoebe. All right, everyone. I thought we could make a super cute alien out of this apple. So we're gonna take our green apple and we're gonna draw on a super cute alien face with our edible ink marker. Let's do a really big smile. Whoa, look how happy our alien is. All right, now for the big one eye. Whoa, he looks so cute, but I think he's missing something. 2 super cute antennae. So let's put one in here and one in here. Perfect! Oh, he looks so cute. What do you think, everyone?
I love it! I love apples! They're one of your 5 a day!
Oh my, you eat 5 apples a day? That's a lot.
No, silly! We eat 5 pieces of fruit and veg every day! Miss Hands, quick! Let's put our little alien friend into our lunchbox!
Great idea, Phoebe. All right, here we go. In you go, little guy. Whoa, that is so cool. Look at me learning something new every day. Oh, how I love mystical earthlings.
You're so funny, Allie! Hey, Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
Is that everything? Have we finished our lunchbox?
Not quite.
Ooh, what is it? What is it?
Time for the final touch. Some magical chocolate stars. Let's go ahead and place them around our rocket.
Wow, that's so magical! What do you think, Allie?
I think this looks tasty. Well, I think it does too, but I thought we could add some special space stickers to your lunchbox, to really make it yours. Oh, yes, please, mystical hands. All right, everyone, I brought these super cool, super cute stickers. So let's go ahead and start putting some on. I really like this one. Let's put that one up there. Perfect. All right.
Oh, Miss Hands! That one's so funny!
You're right, Phoebe. Let's put this one over here.
Whoa, Miss Hands!
What is it, Fizzy?
This one has got some bunny rabbits on it. I love it.
All right, Fizzy. Let's put that one up there. Now for one more. Whoa, Miss Hands, that looks so cool. I think you're right, Allie. Why don't we put that one here? Ta-da! One out of this world awesome lunchbox.
Is that your tummy, Allie? You must be so hungry. I don't think that's Allie, Phoebe. What is it? I think it's the UFO. The flying plane?
Sorry, my mystical earthling friends. I better fly. Thanks so much for all your help.
That's all right, Allie. It sure was cool to meet you.
Likewise, you are both out of this world.
Aw, thanks, Allie. But don't forget your lunch. Thanks. Oh, dear. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Come on, Fizzy. Let's go eat the lunch.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bo.